Hi everyone, I am Manoharan. In our last class, we have learned about necessity of surface plate, material of surface plate, specification of surface plate. I hope you all understand that. Today we are going to learn about related theory, angle plate and parallel blocks. In this topic, we are going to learn about state the constructional features of different types of angle plates. Name the types of angle plates. State the uses of different types of angle plates. State the grades of angle plates. Specify the angle plate. Name the types of parallels. State the constructional features and uses of parallel blocks. Specify the parallel blocks as per BAS recommended. Let us start with angle plate. Introduction. Angle plate is a precision tool used for marking, machining and metal working purposes. Constructional features. Angle plates have two plane surfaces machined perfectly flat at right angles. Generally, these are made of closely grained cast iron or steel. The edges and the ends are also machined square. They have ribs on the unmachined part to provide rigidity and to prevent distortion. Types of angle plates. There are four types of angle plates are available. Plain solid angle plate, slotted type angle plate, swivel type angle plate, box type angle plate. Plain solid angle plate. Among the four types of angle plates, the normally used plain solid angle plate is the most common. It has two plane surfaces perfectly machined at 90 degree to each other. Such angle plates are used for supporting the workpieces during layout work. They are comparatively smaller in size. Slotted type angle plate. The two plane surfaces of this type of angle plate have slots milled. It is comparatively bigger in size than plain solid angle plate. The slots are machined on the top plane surfaces for accommodating clamping bolts. This type of angle plate can be tilted to 90 degree along with the work for marking or machining. Swivel type angle plate. This is adjustable so that two plane surfaces which are kept at an angle. Two machined surfaces are on two separate pieces which are assembled. The graduations are marked on one to indicate the angle of tilt with respect to the other. When both zero coincide, the two plane surfaces are at 90 degree to each other. A bolt and nut provided for locking in position. Box angle plate. They have applications similar to those of other angle plates. After setting, the work can be turned over with the box, enabling further marking out or machining. This is the significant advantage. This has the faces machined square to each other. Next topic, we are going to learn about grades of angle plates. Angle plates are available in two grades, grade 1 and grade 2. Grade 1 angle plates are more accurate and are used for very accurate tool room type of work. Grade 2 angle plates are used for general machine shop work. In addition to the above two grades of angle plates, the precision angle plates are also available for inspection work. Sizes. The angle plates are available in different sizes. The size is indicated by numbers. The table 1 gives the number of the sizes and the corresponding size proportion of the angle plates. Size number 1. Length 125, breadth 75, height 100. Size number 2. Length 175, breadth 100, height 125. Size number 3. Length 250, breadth 150, height 175. Size number 4. Length 350, breadth 200, height 250. Size number 5. Length 450, breadth 300, height 350. Size number 6, length 600, breadth 400, height 450. Size number 7, length 700, breadth 450, height 700. Size number 8, length 600, breadth 600, height 1000. Size number 9, length 1500, breadth 900, height 1500. Size number 10, length 2800, breadth 900, height 2200. Specification of the angle plate. Size 6, grade 1, box angle plate will be designated as box angle plate 6 grade 1 IS 6232. Size 2, grade 2 angle plate will be designated as angle plate 2 grade 2 IS 6232. Care and maintenance. Clean before and after use. Apply oil after use. Next topic, we are going to learn about parallel blocks. Parallel blocks of different types are used for setting workpieces for machining. The commonly used are of two types: solid parallels, adjustable parallels. Solid parallels or solid parallel blocks. This type of parallel, which is very much used in machine shop work. They are made of steel pieces of rectangular cross section and are available in different lengths, cross sectional sizes. They are hardened and ground and sometimes finished by lapping. Parallels are machined to close limits and are perfectly flat, square and parallel to the throughout the length. They are made in pairs of identical dimensions. Grades. Parallels are made in two grades, grade 1 and grade 2. Grade 1 is meant for tool room type of parallel blocks. Grade 2 is used for general purpose machine shop work. Adjustable parallels. These consist of two tapered blocks sliding one over the other in a tongue and groove assembly. This type of parallels can be adjusted and set to different heights. Uses. Solid and adjustable parallels are used for parallel setting of workpieces while machining. They are also useful for raising the workpieces held in vices or machine tables to provide a better observation of the machining process. Note: parallels are made in pairs and should be used in matching pairs to ensure accuracy in setup. Care and maintenance. Clean before and after use. Apply oil after use. Do not use as a hammer. Sizes of parallels. These are given in the table 1 and 2. Table 1. Size of the solid parallels. Grade 1 and 2. 5 into 10 into 100. Grade 1 and 2. 10 into 20 into 150. Grade 1 and 2. 15 into 25 into 150. Grade 1 and 2. 20 into 35 into 200. Grade 1 and 2. 25 into 45 into 250. Grade 1 and 2. 30 into 60 into 250. Grade 1 and 2. 35 into 70 into 300. Grade 2. 40 into 80 into 350. Grade 2. 50 into 100 into 400. Now table 2. Range and size of adjustable parallels. Height range, length. 10 to 13, 40 mm length. 13 to 16, 50 mm length. 16 to 20, 60 mm length. 20 to 25, 65 mm length. 25 to 30, 70 mm length. 30 to 40, 85 mm length. 40 to 50, 100 mm length. Designation of parallels. Parallel blocks are designated by the type, grade, size and the number of standard. Example: solid parallel, grade 1, 5 into 10 into 100, IS 4241. Adjustable parallel, 10 into 13 into 40, IS 4241. I hope now you all have clear understanding of constructional features of different types of angle plates, name the types of angle plates, uses of different types of angle plates, grades of angle plate, specification of angle plates. Name the types of parallels, constructional features and uses of parallel blocks, specification of parallel blocks. Thank you for watching this video. and see you all in the next class. Have a good day.